Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best out-solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic measurement of mass. So the measurement of mass is an important concept in physics. The related concept like a standard unit of mass and weight help to understand the amount of matter in an object. So mass and weight are used in many calculations and concepts used in physics. So many times both terms are used together, however there is a difference between the two. The mass is the characteristic feature of the matter and it remains constant at all times. So, the mass is the characteristic feature of the matter. Characteristic feature of the matter and remains constant at all times and remains constant at all times. So it can be defined as the amount of matter in an object. So it can be defined as the amount of matter in an object. So let us study about the measurement of mass. So the mass of any body is measured using balance. So mass of any body is measured using balance. Further, mass is always different from weight as it remains constant with respect to the location while weight changes its value. So the SI unit of mass is kilogram. SI unit of mass is kilogram, represented as kg, and it is the basic unit of measurement of mass and is nearly equal to the mass of 1000 cubic centimeter of water. However, some disturbances were observed in the calculation of mass using water and then using alloy bars. Hence, Planck's constant remains as an established measurement of mass. So, Planck's constant remains an established measurement of mass. Remains an established measurement of mass. So, it states that 1 joule is equal to 1 kilogram times meter squared per second squared. So, it states that 1 joule is equal to 1 kilogram times meter squared, means meter squared per second squared. So, the value of Planck's constant is H is equals to 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. So, the another main units of mass include milligram, which is equals to 0.001 gram. Then we have decigram, which is equals to 0.1 gram. Then we have centigram, which is equals to 0.01 gram. Then we have gram, which is equals to 1000 milligrams. So, and kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So, this is all about the measurement of mass. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.